Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Being a Programmer. I am Rajashri and today we have to see how to install a VS Code for your Windows operating system. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. First of all, open your choice browser and then search into search bar install VS Code for Windows. Then this is the first website code.visualstudio.com. So this is the official website for your Windows application to install VS Code. So we click on this website and the link is provided in the description box. So you can download from VS Code from the description box. So we can click on this website. Then this page is open in front of you. So you can see here is the Windows option, then here is your Linux option and Mac option is here. So we can download the VS Code for Windows applications. So click on this Windows icon. So then provide the path where you can want to download this file. So I can download this file on desktop. So I save, click on save button. So you can see download will be started here. And there are few seconds remaining to complete the download. This complete process depends on your network connection or network speed. So wait for the download. So you can see our download will be successfully completed. So when we click on this double click on that icon, then this page in front of you, this is the setup page. So I click on this, I accept the agreement radio button and then click on next. Then select these all checkbox and then click on next and then click on install button. Here you can see the installation will be started. So this takes a few minutes or few seconds, depends on your internet connection. So wait for the installing this setup. So here you can see our Visual Studio Code setup completely installed. So click on finish button